last thing is there. Then I finish with this last point. The talking. I said, no, accept the present means what? Please be with your body, love your body, respect your body. Then whatever you do out of awareness. Your body is moving like that automatically. It is automatic process, involuntary mechanism. Then while we are talking, hands moves. I'm telling no, should be aware. Some bad organism is there in the body. If I touch here, whole body responds. Isn't it? If mother scolds the father, nobody responds. But if father scolds the mother, immediately everybody responds. Don't scold the mother.
That's correct.
Why? Why like that? From the mother's side, organism is there.
Yes.
From the father's side, no. No. Why? Mother loves it. That's why. She loves and cares. But she feels the responsibility, but she never fulfills. But father doesn't feel the responsibility, he fulfills. That's the problem here. He doesn't feel, he simply gives money, forgets. That's all. I will give the money, don't put me burden on me. Just I give the money. What do you want to do? Go to the market and go to the shopping and purchase everything, whatever you like. You simply give the money. Because man wants the peace. Woman wants relaxation. She doesn't want the peace. She never bothers with the peace. Who bothers with the peace? Relaxation is need. You give me relaxation. Today, if you give a holiday, it's a great day to me. Let's go to the movie or park or some other tour. She loves that. But we have to come within evening. That's the condition. They say we have to go to some long distance. They will say again, we have to come within evening. That is the condition again. Look at. They don't want to enjoy anything, but they want to see everything. That is a human psychology. Here should learn how to walk, how to move, how to sit, how to stand, how to sleep, how to drink, how to eat. And now I'm talking about how to talk. I'm simply telling, talk out of respect, out of acceptance, and out of balance. Three things is needed: acceptance, respect, balance. Talk respectfully and balancedly and accept. Great acceptance is needed. Listen first. When you learn the art of listening, then only you are able to talk rightly. When you don't know how to listen, you never know how to talk. Impossible to you. The true talking happens when you listen rightly. But so many, basically women, they never listen, but they will talk so much. Why they don't listen? Simply one cause: they understand more than you. That's why. They understand more, listen less. But the person, basically the male, he understands less, listens more. So much listening is there. You see, wife is go on telling, everybody is go on telling, you listen to everything, then you keep from this side. One of my devotee is there. Her wife always earns him. Every moment, his wife earns so much. I asked him, don't you get the boredom? She's go on scolding, go on competing against you. Won't you get the boredom? She says, just I become perfect. Now I am perfect listener. Whatever she says, it will not reach to my ear. It goes from this side, not from this side. Such a great listener I never seen. Even whatever you put negative things in front of him, he never responds, he never reacts. Only positive things he says, okay. If you say, hey, he never listens that. Hello, he listens very immediately. Then his ear as habited towards the positivity, not negativity. That's I say. Male always listens more, understands less. Women understands more, listens less. This is the problem with people. That's why no husband is satisfied with the wife, no wife is satisfied with the husband. Because wife is so talkative, husband is less. Sometimes husband is so talkative, Wife is so less. Whatever you talk, she simply says, "Oh, I've started again the sutti." Like this is the problem with the energies. I simply say, please talk respectfully, talk with great acceptance, then talk balancedly. How to talk? I simply say, whatever you talk, that glory should be increased, the beauty should be increased, meaning should be increased, the quality should be increased, the position should be increased. It has to come from good to best, best to better. Like that. Should be always at the beginning point of the seed. First start your talk from the seed, then start your journey. Never start from the flower, because your language goes to the worst, from good to worst.